Are you looking for an easy baby shower gift that's quick and fast to make? Stick around and I'll show you how to do it. I made these bibs to match the other baby items that I made for the baby shower, but this video will focus on the baby bibs. I had this fabric left over from the other baby items that I made, but I found the dinosaur fabric at Walmart, and the green t-shirt is actually from my stash. I'm a Goodwill Salvation Army shopper, and I buy their t-shirts when I find the right color, and this t-shirt was there several years ago at Goodwill, and I put it in my stash because I like the color, and now it matches. I also had the white terry cloth in my fabric stash. If you don't have terry cloth on hand, if you have baby diapers on hand, they can be used as backings, or you could use another knit shirt on the back. You just want something soft that would be absorbent on the back of the baby bib. This baby pattern is actually one that I copied from a bib that my grandson had, so I just laid the bib out flat and made my own pattern, and then took notes and just put it in my stash for future bib making. You can also go on Google and search free baby bib patterns, and you can find a plethora of them, and then just print them off if you want, if you don't have a baby bib on hand. But there are plenty of free resources out there for baby bibs. Now it's time to cut out the pattern. You lay your pattern on a folded edge of your fabric, and you want to cut out a front printed side of your fabric and a back terry cloth side of your fabric. Since I'm making two bibs, I end up with two front pieces of fabric and two back pieces of fabric. Since I'm embroidering on the green knit, I needed to add a stabilizer on the back, so I put iron-on tearaway stabilizer. I found the center of the area that I wanted the name to be, and I marked it with a straight pen. I added sticky stabilizer to my fast frame for my PRS 100 embroidery machine. Then I double checked to make sure that my fabric was centered on my sticky hoop. And the light there shows that that's the center of my hoop. And this is the name that I programmed in. Now it's time to sew the two pieces together. So you put your right sides together for your knit fabric to the terry cloth, and you sew around, but in this area where I said no, you leave an opening, and you do. I used a ballpoint needle, and I'm sewing a 1/4 inch in from the edge of the fabric. And you go all the way around, but you make sure you leave an opening so that you can turn it right side out. And here I'm showing you sewing all the way around. And on the left side, you'll notice I have straight pins, and that's the area that you do not want to sew closed. This is what your baby bib should look like right now. And notice to the left side, I have that opening so that I can turn it right side out. Once you turn it right side out, you want to clip the area that was open and then sew all the way around the edge. Get as close to the edge as possible, and this shows you the final look of the stitching. Now it's time to put our snaps on. I use the cam snap system, and this is a size 20 gauge. And I use 2 end caps and 2 males on one end, and 2 end caps and 2 females on the other end. Then I put holes on each end of the fabric. And I do the same for that. Here I'm putting the holes in the fabric with an awl. And this is what it looks like when you use the cam system. I put 2 on each end, 2 males on one end and 2 females on the other end, so that you can adjust the bib on different ways for different sizes. Ta-da! You're done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, especially if you'd like to make these other items you see here. I have other videos showing how to make the pieced baby blanket, the whole cloth baby blanket, the little outfit, and the hats. So please join me for those videos. I'd love to see you over there.